everyone, welcome back. My name is Henry and I'm here with Drone World to do the thorough unboxing and flight test of the Fat Shark 101 FPV system. This is Fat Shark's first foray into the FPV quadricopter game, and we're here today to show you exactly what you can expect from this all-inclusive kit. In our opinion, this amazing little quad is more stable than the great beginner products made by Blade and the Inductrix series, yet nearly as aggressive with its program settings as a racing quad while working both indoors and outdoors. The Fat Shark 101 comes with a pair of Recon Fat Shark goggles, including the head strap and antenna, the Fat Shark 101 Mini FPV quad, a Fat Shark radio remote and USB cable, 2 batteries and charger, 4 extra propellers, lens cloth, a quick start guide, and 2 gate and gate holders for obstacle training. The kit itself comes in at $249, which makes the Fat Shark 101 kit one of the most affordable all-in-one FPV systems on the market, while still adhering to Fat Shark's level of quality. All of Fat Shark's goggles are compatible with the 101 system, and with the compact size of the included quadricopter, makes this a perfect system for both outdoor and indoor flights. This FPV package has full acro mode right out of the box and comes with propeller guards for easy hand catches and bumps, which is great for training pilots. As well, the durable shell is built to take a fair amount of rough landings. In our flight test, even thick foliage was no issue for the Fat Shark 101 system. A part of what makes this kit so great is that even advanced users will have fun in adjusting the RC rate in beta flight, allowing for flips and more aggressive angles. Also, this Fat Shark kit includes an industry-first aftermarket antenna installed by Drone World Techs that gives you better coverage and 2 times the range over stock, which is a must for outdoor flying. There are 3 modes for the Fat Shark 101. The first and most amazing mode is the angle mode, which is best suited for beginners because the drone utilizes onboard accelerometers which auto-level the drone better than any other quad we've seen. This helps new racers avoid diving or rolling into objects. Acro mode is meant for very experienced pilots and allows for full manual control, so the inputs to pitch, roll, or yaw would need to be corrected to stay level. This is great for those looking to achieve more acrobatic flying such as racing or doing flips and rolls. But for beginners and intermediate pilots, I would suggest staying in angle mode until you feel comfortable moving into either acro or our final mode, which is a custom-built mode that you can enter in your own horizon. This means the user can adjust the drone's angle and apply more fine-tuning. A great feature included with this system is the free 3 months of insurance through the Academy of Model Aeronautics and the included Drone Racing League flight simulator. These 2 additions make training easier, safer, and leave you with the peace of mind in your journey to becoming an expert pilot. 3 of the best aspects of this bundle are the flawless auto-leveling, USB rechargeable batteries, and the spare parts. Both of these are perfect for pilots on the go, allowing for charging on the road and quick repairs when time is of the essence. If you've ever thought about getting into FPV, the Fat Shark 101 is a compact, affordable, and highly programmable package that brings endless fun. And see the exclusive Drone World kit for this system, which includes a rapid deploy backpack, as well as extra batteries for endless flying, and a robust charging system which lets you charge 4 batteries 4 times faster than stock. Visit droneworld.com to purchase this system or one of our very own custom kits and start racing today. We hope you enjoyed our unboxing and flight test of the Fat Shark 101 system, and if you have any other questions about it, leave a comment below. Make sure to click here to subscribe and click here to see more Drone World videos.